Okay, now there are a couple of periodical cleaning options available right through Roland's utility software. The normal cleaning, found under the Adjustments tab, will clean the printheads and usually fix any dot dropout or nozzle clogging on a day-to-day basis. However, if the normal cleaning doesn't fix the clog or dropout after a few repetitions, move your way up to medium cleaning. And again, if it fails to fix the test prints, move to powerful cleaning. Now you might ask, well, why not just start with a powerful cleaning? We've created these steps of cleaning because the more powerful the cleaning, the more ink is used. So you should always try to use normal cleaning and only resort to medium and powerful if nothing else works. In rare cases, you might find that not even powerful cleaning will correct the nozzle clogs or dropouts in your test prints. That's when you have to perform a manual head cleaning. A manual head cleaning consists of using the included cleaning sticks and solutions to clean the print heads by hand. In the Adjustments tab of the utility software, click on Manual Head Cleaning and you'll be guided through the process right on your computer. Perform a manual cleaning at least once a month when indicated by a pop-up message from the utility, or if any other cleanings don't solve a print quality issue, such as nozzle clogging, ink spots, or debris on the printheads. There's a couple of things to remember about manual head cleanings. Remove the media before cleaning. Complete the cleaning within 30 minutes or an alarm will sound alerting you that the printheads might be drying out. Only use the cleaning sticks provided and order them directly from your Roland DG rep if you're out. Other products can damage the sensitive printheads. Also, use the cleaning sticks one time, then throw them away. Using a used stick can damage or reduce the quality of the printhead. First, you'll have to remove the maintenance cover on the left-hand side of the BN-20 by unscrewing the screw along the bottom. Now, move the carriage until it makes contact with the left wall of the print area and soak a cleaning stick in the cleaning fluid. Clean the frame around the head surface, avoiding making contact with the nozzle surface itself. It might be a good idea to use a flashlight to make sure that you don't touch the surface. Make sure you get all the fibrous dust around the nozzle. Next, clean the frame around the head cap. And clean the wiper. And that's it. Reattach the maintenance cover and close the front cover. The head will move to its normal cap position and a normal cleaning will be performed to finish off the procedure.